Namaste dear students and welcome to the virtual learning of SLV English Medium School. We, the staff and the management of your SLV English Medium School urge you, the students, to not to stop learning even during this pandemic. And we do our best to assist you in your learning process. So guys, today I'm glad to stand before you to present to you in this video the first unit of your 9th class curriculum of the English language, that is humor. Like all other classes, you have 6 units in your textbook, like humor, school life, environment, disaster, freedom. So among all these, the first unit is about humor. And within this particular section, you have 3 lessons. They are the snake and the mirror, the duck and the kangaroo, and the little Bobby. All these 3 lessons are in a light-hearted note, and they produce a lot of humor. As the greatest comedian of all the time in the world, that is Mr. Charlie Chaplin, as he says, a day without laughter is a day wasted. So guys, in life, what keeps you going, what keeps you light-hearted is the humor that you produce. That is why people always suggest, greatest leaders suggest, that you should be surrounded by people that make you happy, that make you hopeful and not hopeless. Humor in life teaches us to take things that happen in life on a light-hearted note. Humor is an inseparable and indispensable ingredient of human life. The happier you are, the successful you are. So, the 3 lessons that we have, the snake and the mirror, the duck and the kangaroo, and the little Bobby. All these 3 lessons help you to start, or rather kickstart your year of 9th class English language learning, a joyful one. It makes your learning of the language in this year a happy one, a light-hearted one, a humorous one. As an introduction to these lessons, I would just like to give you all the summary of the lessons in a nutshell. The first lesson that we have, the snake and the mirror, the entire lesson is a conversation, an encounter of the students with a homeopath. Homeopath also would mean a doctor. A doctor is teaching in a classroom and he explains the students or narrates the students a very breathtaking encounter or a very breathtaking moment that he had in his life when he met a full-blooded cobra in his life earlier. So it explains how a homeopath or a doctor encounters a poisonous and full-blooded cobra and how it turns out to be a humorous event. The lesson helps us understand that even the most dreadful situations, the most fearful, frightening situations in your life can be turned into a funny one. Secondly, we have a dialogue between the duck and a kangaroo. You all know, you might have seen in videos, how a kangaroo hops around, jumps around and travels around, whereas a duck is constrained and is forced to live in a single pond. Here, the duck, which is constrained and forced to live its entire life in a pond, is aspiring to hop around the world, to make a trip, to see all the beauties, the mountains, the forests, the valleys, the rivers, the skies that are there in the entire world. And the duck is requesting the kangaroo to give him a ride, to help him see the world beyond. So, the poem that was written by a very famous poet, the most renowned poet that we have in English literature, that is Mr. Edward Lear, explains very beautifully the love, the romantic relationship between the duck and the kangaroo. Even this particular poem helps you to laugh, helps you to shout, helps you to bring out that humor aspect in your life. Finally, we have a very interesting lesson in your entire textbook, that is Little Bobby. The little Bobby was a very naughty, cunning and sweet, happy boy. And when his birthday is approaching, he asks his mother for a bicycle, a red bicycle. But his mother, very intelligently, asks him a simple question: Bobby, I am ready to give you a bike, but are you worthy of it? Are you worthy enough to get a red bike on your birthday? When Bobby reflects on his life lived so far, he understands that he doesn't deserve not a red bike, but bike at all. He understands, because of his naughtiness, because of his carelessness, because he was a bad boy, he understands that he doesn't deserve a bike at all on his birthday. And what he does to get a bike is very interesting. So all the three lessons that we have in the first unit of your English language textbook, they are the snake and the mirror, the duck and the kangaroo, and the little Bobby. All these three lessons throw a lot of humor, spread a lot of fun to your lives. So we'll be beginning with the first lesson in your first unit, that is the snake and the mirror, in the coming video. Until then, stay home, stay safe. Thank you.